Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? The thought might seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, it can turn into an enjoyable and potentially profitable venture. So buckle up as we embark on this journey of demystifying the process of starting a YouTube channel. First and foremost, you need to carve out your niche. What are you passionate about? Is it travel, cooking, tech, or perhaps comedy? Your niche should be something you love and are knowledgeable about. This passion will resonate with your viewers and keep them coming back for more. Next, create a Google account if you do not have one already. This will be the key to unlock your YouTube channel. Once you've set up your Google account, navigate to YouTube and sign in. Click on the user icon at the top right and you'll find the option to create a channel. Give it a click and you're on your way. Now, you're faced with the task of naming your channel. Remember, your channel name is crucial. It should be unique, catchy, and related to your niche. Think carefully, as this is the name your viewers will remember you by. After naming your channel, it's time to add some personality. Customize your channel by adding channel art and a profile picture. Make sure these visuals align with your brand and the message you want to convey. Now, the real work begins. It's time to create your first video. Remember, your first video doesn't have to be perfect. It's more important to start creating and improving as you go. Make sure your video content aligns with your niche. Keep it engaging and always aim to provide value to your viewers. Once your video is ready, upload it to your channel. Write a catchy title and a comprehensive description. These elements are crucial for search engine optimization and will help viewers find your content. Don't forget to add relevant tags to your video. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about and can help your video appear in relevant search results. After uploading your video, it's time to promote it. Share it on your social media platforms, send it to your friends, and ask them to share it too. The more visibility your video gets, the higher the chances of gaining more viewers and subscribers. And lastly, stay consistent. Consistency is key in the world of YouTube. Regularly upload videos and keep engaging with your audience through comments and messages. Remember, every successful YouTuber started from zero. It might take time to build your viewer base, but with passion, consistency, and dedication, your channel can thrive. So why wait? Start your YouTube journey today. Unleash your creativity and share your passion with the world. Who knows, you might just be the next big YouTube sensation.